Did you know that consuming eggs with certain foods could harm brain cells and lead to dementia? While eggs are considered a superfood and beneficial for your health, what you pair them with and how you prepare them is crucial. Unknowingly, eating eggs with specific foods can even increase the risk of cancer and dementia. Today, we will unveil 3 foods you should never eat with eggs due to their harmful combinations and share 3 miraculous foods that not only prevent dementia but also enhance your eye health. The number of people suffering from dementia has significantly increased, affecting not only the middle-aged and elderly but also young people in their 20s and 30s. This rising issue is largely due to dietary habits. Every food has ideal pairings that can boost nutrient absorption and harmful combinations that can damage our bodies. Understanding this and applying it to our diets is the best choice for our health. Today, we'll focus on the superfood eggs, known for their high-quality protein, various minerals, vitamins, and numerous nutrients. However, depending on what you consume with eggs, it can negatively impact your health and even lead to cancer and dementia. That's why in today's video, we will reveal 3 foods you should definitely avoid eating with eggs to prevent cancer and dementia, and also share the 3 best ways to consume eggs. Not only do these foods prevent cancer and dementia, but they also enhance your eye health. Firstly, the food you should never eat with eggs is flour and bread. Many people consume a lot of egg bread, and flour and eggs are indeed key ingredients in bread. However, this combination is detrimental for preventing cancer and dementia. Eggs contain a component called choline, a type of vitamin B. This is why eggs are known as brain food. Choline is beneficial for memory and concentration enhancement and constitutes up to 30% of brain cell components, activating brain functions to improve memory and concentration. It's also used in the prevention and treatment of forgetfulness, dementia, Alzheimer's, and more. Choline is highly effective in reducing inflammation in the body, thereby preventing cancer. However, there is something that counteracts the effects of choline, flour. When you eat bread, which is mainly made of carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises, creating a lot of sugar toxins. These sugar toxins attack brain cells. If you eat bread and eggs together, it's like a war in your body. The choline in the eggs tries to create a protective barrier for the brain cells, while the sugar toxins from the bread try to penetrate this barrier and attack the brain cells. Moreover, if you frequently consume flour-based foods like noodles, bread, egg tarts, spaghetti, and white rice, and already have high blood sugar, the problem becomes more serious. With high insulin resistance and chronic inflammation, choline's efforts to protect us become futile. When your body is already overloaded, this internal battle can lead to cardiovascular diseases like hypertension and arteriosclerosis, issues with insulin secretion leading to diabetes, and chronic inflammation that can cause cancer, dementia, and brain diseases. Therefore, it's better to opt for whole wheat bread or healthy vegan breads not made with refined flour to eat with eggs. The first best companion for eggs is the pumpkin. Eggs and pumpkins make a great pairing, especially since the protein in eggs helps with absorption in our body. Moreover, when you consume the fiber from pumpkins along with the calcium in eggs, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, bringing a sense of calm and easing anxiety and tension. It also reduces physical tension, bringing stability to both our body and mind. It's often said that stress is the root of all illnesses. Eating eggs with pumpkin helps relieve stress and fatigue in the body. Additionally, consuming pumpkin, which converts to vitamin A in the body, is especially good for our health. Working together with the abundant lutein and zeaxanthin carotenoids found in eggs, it provides powerful antioxidant action that not only protects the retina but can also significantly reduce the incidence of degenerative eye diseases like glaucoma and macular degeneration. If your eyes have been feeling blurry or your vision cloudy, try eating eggs with pumpkin. Recommended recipes include pumpkin pancakes or tarts, pumpkin egg rolls, and pumpkin egg soup. Secondly, the foods you should never eat with eggs are soy products like soy milk and tofu. Some people consume soy milk and eggs together as a breakfast substitute, and many eat them for weight loss and diet purposes. Additionally, some people boil warm soy soup and break a raw egg into it to eat together. However, eggs and soy milk should not be mixed due to the trypsin inhibitor found in soy milk. Trypsin, a component in soybeans, combines with avidin in egg whites, destroying the nutrients. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, which helps prevent muscle loss in sarcopenia in the elderly, making muscles stronger, and they also contain abundant vitamins and minerals. When consumed with soy milk, these beneficial nutrients cannot be absorbed, so they should not be eaten together. If your throat feels blocked when eating eggs, it's much better to have them with milk or water. And there's one more thing to remember. Have you ever had tea, like green tea or black tea, with eggs? That's a big no. Drinking tea after eating eggs because your throat feels dry and clogged causes the tannins in the tea leaves to combine with the egg proteins, forming tannin-protein complexes. This slows down intestinal peristalsis, worsens the intestinal environment, and leads to constipation. The most frightening aspect is that it increases the body's absorption potential for toxic substances and carcinogens. Therefore, tea and soy milk should absolutely not be consumed with eggs. It's best to have them with water or milk. The second best companion for eggs is cheese. Cheese not only tastes great but is also nutritionally the best match with eggs. Eggs are called a complete food because they contain many nutrients, but relative to dairy products, they are very low in calcium. Dairy products are rich in calcium, so when consumed with eggs, they complement each other perfectly. They can complement each other, especially since cheese is made by fermenting milk. The fermentation process with probiotics reduces the protein content, allowing you to balance each other's nutrition without excessively consuming protein. Lastly, the third worst companion for eggs is apricot. You might not often eat apricots with eggs, but it's crucial to remember because it can be dangerous. Apricots and dried apricots are often consumed as desserts. Eating apricots after eggs can cause mild symptoms like headaches, diarrhea, vomiting, and signs of food poisoning. In severe cases, it can lead to acute gastroenteritis and even more serious conditions. This is due to tannin, the component that gives apricots their astringent taste, which impairs the digestive function of proteins. Tannin, a type of phenolic compound, clumps together with proteins in the mouth, stomach, and digestive system and inhibits the action of protein-degrading enzymes in the body, making it very dangerous to consume with eggs. The third best companion for eggs is none other than apples. Eggs contain a variety of nutrients but lack vitamin C and dietary fiber. Apples are very rich in both vitamin C and dietary fiber. Dietary fiber especially helps with bowel movement by aiding intestinal movement and also helps expel bad cholesterol from the body, preventing cardiovascular diseases such as arteriosclerosis, heart disease, and stroke. Particularly, it aids in the digestion of proteins. Some people feel like their stomach is clogged and have difficulty digesting after eating eggs. In such cases, accompanying them with an apple can stimulate the secretion of gastric juices, aiding in digestion and absorption. Lastly, the way eggs are cooked is also very important. When consuming eggs, it's crucial to prepare them in a way that preserves as many nutrients as possible without destroying them. Firstly, eating raw eggs is not recommended due to the risk of foodborne illness. Also, frying eggs is not advisable. Both steaming and boiling are good methods, but it's better to consume eggs that are soft-boiled rather than hard-boiled to the point of being rubbery. Furthermore, when making fried eggs, it's recommended to use oils with a high content of omega-3, such as olive oil or flaxseed oil. We've explored the 3 worst and best foods to eat with eggs for cancer and dementia prevention. To summarize, rather than eating eggs with flour like bread, choose pumpkin to get the best benefits. Do not eat eggs with soy products like soy milk or tofu. Instead, choose cheese. Never eat eggs with apricots, but pair them with apples. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you remember and take good care of your health with this information. If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also share the video with your dear family and friends. I will always pray for your health and happiness. I will continue to provide you with more useful and informative health information.